Here is how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. So first, go ahead and launch your Google Chrome application. You might want to enable or disable hardware acceleration for various reasons. Sometimes websites work better with it on and sometimes better with it off. So try turning it on or off to see how it affects websites' performance. So first of all, you need to go ahead and tap on these three dots in the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll get a list of options. From the menu that appears, go ahead and tap on Settings, which is the gear icon. Now in the Settings menu, go to the left side and find System at the bottom, which is between Accessibility and Reset Settings. There you'll see the option of Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is a new name for the hardware acceleration. You can then toggle it on or off, and after changing the setting, you need to relaunch Chrome for the changes to take effect. Click on Relaunch to restart Chrome with the new setting, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.